Hey guys, how you doing? Been a couple weeks since I've done a video here, and just wanted to show you what I'm up to right now. Working on a quick DIY outside project on the pool. It's the middle of April, it's still kind of cold out and everything's wet. We have clay soil here and it's a good time to pound in some edging around the pool. Let me show you what we got. Alright, so here's the DIY pool. Check out the videos on my channel, how I put this up, my wife and I, family. And when I was doing it, I just brought stone in. I didn't do any edging. So I want to show you here that I've gone ahead and starting to pound in edging. This is pretty cool stuff, working with some edging from Gardener Supply here. Let me show you. Comes in this right here. I got 4 boxes. I think I paid around $85 for this. And basically what you do is just go ahead and add it in. And you just pound it in. And it works pretty well. I'm gonna go around the whole pool and do my edging. So this is really good stuff if you want to do edging after the fact. And as with this project, this is what I had to do, because last year we were kind of working against time. Finally got the pool in by September, and we got to go in a couple times and we had to close it. So there you go, Gardener's edging. Real nice stuff to work with. Eventually I'll rake back my stone against here, just rake it back once I get it all in, even it up, maybe even bring some topsoil in on this side just to make sure it's even, but it's in pretty good. All right guys, you can see I got just about a quarter of a pool done here. This stuff goes in real easy, especially when the soil's wet. If you have clay soil, you got to do this when the soil is really wet, or else it's like pounding against a brick. All right guys, there we go. Gonna end this video right here. DIY edging on the DIY pool. Gonna open this up next month, but I want to get this done while the soil conditions are right. All right, we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. You have to do like, subscribe, leave a comment. We'll see you around.